Hey, I'm Luke, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to build a charcoal forge. I have a bunch of bricks and cinder block. Okay, I have to go find some materials, and I'm going to go look around for some, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to build it. Okay, I have a pile of stuff here that I'm going to try to build this forge out of, and let's see how it turns out. I have a piece of PVC pipe here, and I'm gonna use this as a pipe to blow in the air from an old shop vac that I have, and we'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna put it through one of these holes, and we're gonna see how that works out. I'll show you how it looks. So we have the PVC pipe that runs in, and then we just have the little entrance there, and then I have that on the back. I can just slide that out if I want to have something really long I want to put in there. And then the sides and bottom are just cinder block. It's really simple. Now we just have to see if it works, which I'm pretty sure it will. So just let's test it. Okay, the forge has been heating up for a while, and I'm gonna wait a couple more seconds, then I'm gonna stick the metal in. I've scooted the back bricks up a bit because I'm heating a pretty small piece of metal, and as you can see, the front pieces I've gotten a bit bigger so I can fill it up with more charcoal. Okay, we're gonna see how hot the metal is. Okay, I'm gonna get it out and we're gonna see what it looks like this time. Okay, so I finished the forge, and it's completed. And you saw the heat; it heated up the metal really well. So it's definitely operational. You can use it anytime you want to. The only things are that charcoal makes a really big mess in your forge, and you have to clean it out every single time you want to use it. But just for a really easy build, it's really nice. I will be eventually making a propane forge with 2 burners, hopefully. So you're going to get to see that video in the future. And I just hope you enjoyed the video.